So you can just pry this open, no special tools needed, just be careful, but pull from this angle. You can see the connectors. Okay, I'm just going to leave this here. Now you can see the bolts, 3. They look like not 10 mil, I'm going to say 8 mil. 8 mil bolts. So I've also removed the mirror and the mirror cap. You can see how broken this actually is. Quite bad. And yep, it is 8 mil. This one needs a wrench to get access to it, but you can use sockets on these too. Okay. So once the 3 bolts are out, it's just that connector, and it's out. That's all it's holding in. And this is my replacement mirror, aftermarket one. Brand is simple reinstall, plug it in and put the bolts back on, chuck the mirror cap on, very easy. Good idea to have the window down just so you can have access to it, but yep, that's all you have to do. Simple. So the only part that's really difficult about this is just be careful you do not drop this screw nut fastener down that hole, okay? Because if you do, then you got to rip this whole door card out to try and find it, and access is not that great. But yeah, be very careful not to drop that.